Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is: on Amazon you will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Electric brake stops the grinding or cut-off wheel in 2 seconds or less for maximum productivity. Active feedback sensing technology. AFT turns the motor off if rotation of the wheel is suddenly forced to stop. Automatic speed change technology adjusts speed and torque during operation for optimum performance. The BL brushless motor eliminates carbon brushes, enabling the BL motor to run cooler and more efficiently for longer life. Variable speed control dial allows manual RPM adjustment. 30008 to match the speed to the application. See more product details. The number 3 on the list is: choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Paddle switch design for increased comfort and ease of use when operating in various positions. Tool-free guard adjustment for faster guard installations and adjustments. Tool-free accessory changes with integrated FIX-TEC nut technology. Electronic clutch provides kickback protection. 5/8 in 11 spindle for use with common grinding accessories. See more product details. The number 2 on the list is: many positives reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. 8,000 revolutions per minute motor of the angle grinder provides high power for cutting and grinding applications. DeWalt grinder with quick change wheel release allows tool-free wheel removal without need for a wrench. Tool-free guard of the metal grinder allows for quick and easy guard adjustments. Positioning. 2-finger trigger switch with lock-off button allows for convenient activation and easier gripping. 2-position side handle offers greater control, comfort, and versatility. 5.0 amp-hour batteries. 2. Power to grind. See more product details. The number 1 on the list is: this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Cross-compatible with all skill PWRCORE20 tools, batteries, and chargers. Cordless electronic grinder kit for DIY projects like grinding metal, cutting tile, sanding wood, and more. Includes a 20 volts small 4-1/2 inch cordless angle grinder. Denali by Skill 24.0R battery. 2.4A charger that fully charges a 2.0R battery in 60 minutes and a 4.0R battery in 100 minutes. Grinding disc, grinding guard, wrench, and wrench storage side handle. 3-position side handle allows for choosing the best handle placement for the task. On and off lock switch. Lock on for extended use. Lock off to prevent accidental starts. powerful high-performance motor with speeds up to 8,500 revolutions per minute provides the power you'll need on the job. Safe, easy start for optimal control. Show more.